Hello my friends, welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to my Southern Kitchen, the 320th episode and the 8th episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2019. I'm Ellen, hope all you're doing well. Today I'm going to make one of my favorites growing up and a soul food side dish staple, mixed greens. And my friends, it is the bomb.com. It's going to be so flavorful, simple and easy to make, and your whole family will enjoy this for your holiday dinner or any time of the year. And these greens taste like how your mama and your grandmother used to make. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my Thanksgiving recipes playlist for more recipes. So grab your mixed greens and your pot sugar because we're about to cook some mixed greens magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my pot I got the fire over high heat. I have some water and I'm using smoked ham hock, or you can use a smoked turkey. And we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of kosher salt, and 3 tablespoons of white sugar. Or you can add any seasoning of your choice. And all we do is bring this to a boil. Alright my friends, my ham hock has come to a boil, so now we're going to cut the fire down to low. And we're going to let it boil for 2 hours until it's tender. Alright my friends, in my sink I have my mixed greens. I'm using turnip, mustard, and collards. I chop them up and I put them in there with water to get them clean. And when I clean them and rinse them, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, my ham hock got through cooking. I put them in the pot. I just want to show you what they look like. They have been cooking for 20 minutes. So now we're going to cover the pot. And we're going to let them finish cooking low and slow for 2 hours. Alright my friends, let's take a look at the greens. Oh yes, they look scrumptious. And look at that beautiful green color. It smells awesome up in this kitchen. And the best part about greens is that pot liquor. Let's give it a taste. Careful not to burn my mouth. Oh, that's awesome. Alright. Our mixed greens are ready to go. So now I'm going to put them in the bowl and I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, there you have it. Soul food mixed greens. Don't that look yummy? Alright, now I'm going to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright my friends, I fixed me up a plate and you can't have greens without cornbread. Alright, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. The greens is tender, has the right amount of seasoning. These greens brought me back to my childhood, being in my mama's and grandmother's kitchen. Y'all gonna love these mixed greens. Please give this recipe a try. This is a vanilla bite. I'm gonna taste it with some cornbread. Oh yeah. Yum-o. Mixed greenlicious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my Southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and happy Thanksgiving.